Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to add a featured product on your Shopify homepage. So if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, you need to go to your Shopify admin panel, then go to product section, click on collections, then create a new collection, give it a title like featured products. You can also add description. Then click on collection type as manual. Then you can browse the products and you can add the products here. I have added 4 products. So you can also add image to your featured products collection. Then save your changes. Then click on online store. Then themes. Click on customize. Then here you need to click on featured collection. If it's not visible to you, then you need to click on add section, and from here you can select the featured collection. Then you can also change the heading from here and heading size as well. You can also add the description here. We can also change the description style to the body, subtitle, and uppercase. And you can also replace and remove the collection as well. And you can also limit it to the maximum products to the show. I have added 5 products now. I am minimizing it to the 2. You can also select the number of columns on the desktop. Like here, it's 3. When there are more products, then it will gonna show view all style as outline or solid button. So here you need to enable as well the view all option. You can also change the color scheme. Select the image ratio as well, like square, portrait, or adapt to the image. You can also select the image shape like default, round, blob. You can also select that. You can also enable the vendor option. Then it will gonna show the vendor on your each product. We can also enable the product rating. It will gonna show the rating here. So here you can customize a lot of things. Like for the mobile layout as well, number of columns on the mobile you want to show. If you want to enable swipe up on mobile, then you can also enable that option. Now save your changes. Now we will view this on our online store. So here you can see featured product section is available. So that's it. You have successfully added featured products to your Shopify homepage. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.